Hello everyone, welcome to Install Mania. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to install VS Code Editor on Windows 11 PC. At first, I open my browser, then I type VS Code Editor and hit enter. This is the official website of VS Code Editor. I click on it. So in the home page, it tells us that the open source AI code editor, and this is the download for Windows button, but I chose this download button, and from here I chose system installer. So I click on x64 from the system installer option. So within few seconds it will downloading. Within few seconds download will be completed. So I minimize my browser and I refresh on desktop. So download is completed. This is the setup file of VS Code editor. So I double click on it. It asks me permission to install on Windows 11 PC. So I click on yes button. I click on I accept and agreement button. Click on next button. Click on next and click on next. From here, I choose add open with code to action Windows Explorer file context menu. So I tick on it and also tick on it, create a desktop icon. So I click on next and click on install button. It take few time to install on Windows 11 PC, so I fast forward this part. So download is completed. I click on finish button and it will open on Windows. So this is the AI powered VS Code editor. I configure for few steps, use AI feature, and it asks me to connect GitHub or Google or Apple. I skip for now and choose theme. From theme I chose dark modern, and it asks me to watch a video tutorial. I will skip this step. I click on mark done and close the walkthrough setup VS Code. So that was my video. In this video I will show you how to install VS Code editor on Windows 11 PC. If you watch this video on Facebook, please follow my Facebook page. If you watch this video on YouTube, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video.